Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. Today we are tackling some holiday centerpieces on a budget. I'm so excited to show you how I combined this idea as well as another idea to create a very simple, economic holiday centerpiece that packs a big punch. I cannot wait to show you. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Easy Peasy Holiday Berry Christmas Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's get to it. So I wanted to see if I could find some of the items for the centerpiece at the local Dollar Tree, and I'm happy to say that I was. These berry bushes are there for $1.25 each, as well as the 6-inch cylinder vase and the 4-inch hurricane vase. They're all there, and I've left you the links for them as well. I also want to show you that if you want to make this centerpiece a little bit more fancy, you could do the same idea with their sparkly stems, which are also there for $1.25. So just a quick tip. Let's get started with this project. Well guys, there you have it. This centerpiece is so simple, but as you can see, it packs a huge punch. What I love about this centerpiece also is that you can make it beforehand and you can store it easily to reuse year after year. It can grace your beautiful Christmas table as well as any kind of holiday party or holiday event, even a holiday wedding. So I'm so glad that I was able to share this with you. Please remember, if you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if you have a comment or a question, please leave it right down there in the comment section. I answer them myself. It does take me a minute to get to them. I'm so sorry, but I do get to them. And if you're waiting on me, we have a wonderful DIY community that steps in to help answer questions as well. If you'd like to hang out with us more, please head over to our Facebook page, Twitter or X rather, as well as our Instagram, and please check out our Pinterest page. We have fantastic ideas there for you to use and to inspire you. If you haven't already, sign up for your Rakuten account. They pay you to shop. It is absolutely free. Head down to our description, click on the link, sign up for your account, sign on to your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check for your shopping efforts at the end of the month. It is really that simple. Well, our time has come to an end. It always comes so fast. I'm so excited for this holiday season, and guess what? Next week, I'm going to come back and share another idea with you. Can't wait to share it with you. And if you have a project you would like us to showcase on the site, please head over to our website, missplanet.com. Just click right over there in that corner and sign on to our account. Click the project request button, fill out the information. It's so simple. Do it sooner than later because our production schedule fills up so fast and I absolutely hate telling anyone no. Well guys, until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on this planet. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.